Hey guys, if you have never drilled a pearl before, it might seem, a little bit complicated or you might be scared, but don't worry. I will teach you what you need to know to be able to drill your own pearls. So first, let's start to talk about what tools you need. So first tool you need is obviously a drilling machine. Like here, this is a drilling machine for to drill half holes, and I have another drilling machine on the back. If you can see, this machine is more for necklaces, for full drill. However, you can also perform like full drilling with this type of machine, but it's going to take a lot more time compared to that machine on the back. So there are two best machine in the world right now. The first is it's called Yotsuba. It's a brand, Japanese brand, and this one is the Alpha Mirage. Is also from Japanese. It's cheaper than the Yotsuba. And guys, you can also get a drilling machine from AliExpress. However, the quality, of course, will be not as good as this one, and you will often find some issue on this thing right here. Cheaper machine will tend to to wiggle a little bit, and it will affect the straightness of the hole you're drilling. If you have like a small quantity of pearls to drill, yeah, you can definitely get one from Alibaba. I have several machine from Alibaba before. However, when I got like a lot more pearls, so I had to invest in a better machine, which is this one. It costs, I think, about $1,000. It's not the most expensive one. The most expensive one is the other machine, the Yotsuba. And the thing about this machine is a little bit too noisy. It's not even a little bit, it's really noisy. And however, it does a great job. It don't move. It's like really solid. It drills straight holes. I never had any issue. And also it comes with this attachment right here. They offer like several sizes, and this one is the smallest. It can also drill like pearls, really small pearls, like Keishi pearls. And yeah, guys, this is considered like a precision drilling machine for small quantity, and for also like pearls that are expensive, like higher grade pearls. Alright guys, the next thing is definitely some drill bits, but not like random drill bits. You need carbide drill bits because it can sustain high temperatures, unlike steel drill bits, which when you're buying a machine, they will offer you some drill bits made of steels, and you will find out that it can break easily. I mean, steel drill bits when it reach a certain temperatures. So those drill bits are quite expensive, guys, and yeah, you have to be careful when you use them. And also, when you drill a lot of pearls, the tip will become like damaged, and you can actually sharpen up again, using some diamond disc like that. And yeah, you can reuse it. What else can I say? This is great for any type of pearls. However, you have to be careful when you are drilling a pearls like freshwater pearls. Even though that freshwater pearls is made of 100% nacre, you know. However, it's really weak, you know, the nacre or weak, and you will like 80% of the time crack it. The next thing I should say, of course, have a pearl, right? So now let's talk about the size, the drilling hole size. It depends on what jewelry you are making. For example, if you make like easy jewelry with findings like that, so the thing you'll have to do is to measure the pin size, like with a gauge like that, and you just measure it. And let me show you what it says. It says 0.6 on the gauge. So the drilling hole size you will need to drill is 0.8 or 0.9. You want to leave at least 0.2 millimeter some space, you know, for the glue, and also to attach, you know, the pearls, you know. And guys, you also need a mask. That's because you know, if you inhale too much of the pearl dust, you can get serious health issue. And yeah guys, that's it. Now let's begin to drill our pearl. Guys, you have your needles, right, or your drill bits. You're just going to insert into the you know, the drilling butt top, and then you tighten up, guys, and you want to put in the middle, right? If you want to see if it's like centered, you can either do it like that, move it a little bit, and or just run the machine once, and if it's not centered, it will go like sideways, you know, it will like do some crazy stuff. So that's it. Make sure it's tight, and you take your pearl, right? You select, of course, a spot you want to drill. Usually it's where the blemish is, and you just tighten your pearls right here like that. And then run your machine, and when you drill, guys, when you want to slowly do it, first you want to just touch, you know, touch the pearl, drill a little hole, and when you know there's a little hole, it will be locked in, and then you can proceed, you know, you can continue. And yeah guys, that's basically it, right? And if you have to drill like halfway, then you just drill it halfway. And when you want to fully drill, you know, for necklaces or whatever, you have to drill halfway and then put it like all the way, and then turn it like that, and then drill it, do the same thing again. Sometimes I feel like lazy, and I just drill like fully drill that way, but I don't recommend it, you know. But you know, when you drill a lot of pearl, you become like a little bit tired, right? And it's good, you can do this with smaller pearls. However, with large pearls like 13 millimeter, I recommend like you do it properly, otherwise, you know, their hole will you will mess up the hole. It will not be straight, and you will see when your final necklace, it will be like out of place. And guys, if you are making a necklace, you need a thread, right? And the drill hole size will be, in my experience, the best is 0.9. If it is too small, you will find you will have some hard time putting your thread, especially double the thread, and it will kind of stuck, and you can easily break your thread. And if it's too big, then it won't be like, it won't look as good. Your hole will be a little bit too wide, and you will need bigger thread. And when you make a necklace, like you don't want the knots to be like too big. You want to be like small. I mean, that's what I learned. But everyone is different, right? Some probably like large knots, but I don't know, like large knots, it doesn't look appealing to me. It doesn't have that luxury effect. If you have a large amount of pearls to drill, well, it can be like really tiring, and I think you need, of course, to get first a better table, and you also want to put stuff as close as possible, so you don't have to move a lot. For example, like pearls that are not drilled, I'll just put it right here, like close to the machine, so I don't have to do a lot of movement. And and like that, I can focus and not be too tired. And also another detail, when you drill a pearl, and sometimes you have pearls like that, who has a little bump, or a blemish, because the pearl is not round, obviously, and it can cause some problem when you're drilling. The needle can go like sideways, or even move the pearls a little bit when you're drilling. And the way to fix it, you simply like need to hold the pearl while drilling, like that. You hold the pearl, and then you drill.